separating colored paper. Kids are on the computer. So yeah, I'm just sitting here organizing paper, colored paper, to put back in the copy room. Okay, feeling full from lunch. We went out, got some edamame, got a Sprite, one of these drinks. It's a ramen drink. It's grape flavored from Japan, basically. Like, I'm just so used to my friend sending me that type of stuff over. So I'm gonna get ready to put it back in the bag. Trying to clean up my area so that the kiddos can have an art center for this afternoon. Yeah, so our projects that they can do this afternoon while I'm upstairs are going to be two things. Maybe I might take one away that I have. So I do have the sun plan. This is a summer fun project. You can just make it just like this. They can make it any way they want. Or it's still springtime, they could do the ladybugs and the grass. Tomorrow I might put out paint centers. So yeah, I'll leave that up here because I'll be in here tomorrow. Working on habitat projects, stuff like that. So I'm gonna try to clean this area up. I need to get ready to go upstairs as I help out with Genius Hour. So Genius Hour is basically like where the kids can either go to art for 6 weeks and they participate in that. And with that, it is just simply, you know, like making a button, painting, other stuff like that. And then, trying to think of what else. The Genius Hour I help out in, they get to do cooking for 2 weeks. So making like a smoothie if you're in a younger grade, or a pizza if you're in younger grade. If you're in the older grades, they make Duchess potatoes and churro Chex Mix, cinnamon Chex Mix. So yeah, trying to get that established here. Get my life together. Upstairs I go. I have no idea what it wants to do outside. I just know I'm in the house. I'm getting ready to turn some TV on and get the cleaning. I have a couple of things I need to put away, a couple of things I need to put together. And I gotta figure out what I'm fixing the kids for dinner. So I'm probably just gonna do like some popcorn chicken. I need to wipe my glasses clean. Anyways, other than that, yeah, I'm gonna relax on this lovely Tuesday. And every day I come home, just so that it helps me, I'd like to wipe away the calendar just so I know, like, I've gotten this day over with, what comes next, and things like that. All right, so I'm gonna use one of my new pans that I had got from Home Goods the other weekend. We're gonna make a pineapple upside down cake. So we have the bowl, we have the marshmallow, cherries, we have the pineapple slices. Right, so we have to turn the oven on to 350, let that heat up. We also have the perfectly moist pineapple supreme cake box mix, and then we have the brown sugar. I also need to get the butter and the eggs. Yeah, I forgot all about the 3 eggs that we're gonna need, and of course I definitely forgot about the vegetable oil that we'll be using. So let's go ahead and get started. I have Sky here, my little chef. Sky is about to lose a tooth, guys, and so it's now like falling out of the hole, but it's really crooked. So it was separating, and now My big 7-year-old is ready to lose her first tooth. That girls know how to crack some eggs. Alright, so we need 1 cup of packed brown sugar. We're gonna drain the juice to the pineapple slices into here so that we can save it, because instead of water, we'll be using pineapple juice. Alright, so we had to take the lid off in order to preserve the rest of the juice. Okay, so in the middle of this, let me just say this is really easy, quick and easy to make, but I'm really ready for it just to be done. So the oven is ready. Hopefully we have this together sooner than you think. All right, now it's time for us to just slice it in half so that we can add in the pineapple to the rings. So the easiest way for me to melt the butter is to put it in here, and I'll let it just kind of like melt itself in the actual oven for like 30 seconds. Okay, so we've melted all the butter. Next we're gonna add in the brown sugar, and then we'll add in our pineapples along with the cherries. Just put a little bit everywhere. So these parts right here where you see the crease, that's where you add a pineapple. Okay, and then a cherry goes in between of it, in between it, with the head down. Okay. Stop it. All right, and then we need the full 1 cup of the pineapple juice. That's why we save all of it. Look how much is left over.
Yeah, I love it.
So this is in place of the water. All right, and then here's the 3 eggs. Okay, so now we're gonna go let this bake on 350 for 40 minutes. All right, so let's let this bake on 325 for 40 minutes. But anyways, I have to finish getting ready. It's 7:01. I need to be at work by 7:30. Luckily, we live right around the corner from the school, so I'm gonna try to prepare myself some type of snack or something this morning, since I won't be able to go get anything for lunch until about 12:30. Okay, so I'm gonna make these bacon, egg, and cheese toaster strudels by putting them in the microwave. And I'm off in the car on the way to work, so it'll be me today with 13 kids that we know of, because that's all we have on the normal. 2 were out yesterday. I'm hoping that, you know, some don't come today, but with the way it works, they'll be there. Shared something that we wished. How possum authors use words to tell how we think or feel about a topic. We can then use those words to convince readers to take action. So this week we will write to share our opinions about the animals we are studying. So words that are going to signal an opinion are what? I like, I think, or my favorite. And words that are going to explain why are going to be because, and one reason is. So the reasons why you think or feel the way you do is because it is your opinion. An example is my favorite color is yellow because I like banana. Right name the right way. That's how we edit our papers. So if we ever want to go back in and edit and revise the draft that we have, and then we can I'm going to get these papers here, and it's going to talk about our opinion. Our opinion is basically going to go based off of our animal, and we're going to give 2 reasons why. Usually I get a lunch break. Okay, finally, my kids are at specials. Specials for us is either you're either in PE, music, iSTEM, which is like building and stuff like that, or yeah, there's really only 4 specials this year. They took the other one out. But anyways, I'm gonna get ready to enjoy my lunch. Let me show you guys what I have some macaroni salad that my grandmother made. And yes, it is dark in here because I like to keep the lights off. I have my Premier Protein. I normally drink this by itself, or I'll get the venti cup of ice from Starbucks and put it in there. Also, I have an apple. I also have the Tuna Creations Honey Barbecue, chocolate vanilla pudding, and I do have a slice of the pineapple upside down cake that I made, and 3 spring rolls. Okay, so I am at home now and the day is over. Hey y'all, so today's Wednesday. Just got home not too long ago. I'm kind of ripping and running around the kitchen and doing some things. So trying to get my house together and in order really quickly. I am gonna go visit my boss. The kindergarten team is gonna go visit her in between 4 and 5 o'clock as she is opening up her home and is ready for people to come by. Okay, so I am out. I'm heading over to my boss's house. So for those of you who are new to my channel, she recently just lost her son, her oldest son. He was in the 8th grade and was tragically hit by a ball that he succumbed his injury to. So I'm gonna go over here and we're just gonna meet up over here to see her, check in on her, and then I'm gonna leave and go get dinner. I'm gonna do Wendy's. I'm gonna do the 4 for $4 because it just sounds so good right now, just like something different. And of course I'm already out because she's already done. So I just left my boss's house. Everything went well. I thought that she was gonna crack for, you know, like a minute or 2. But anyways, I am up here at Wendy's. Looks like there's like 3 or 4 cars in front of me, so at least my damn food should be fresh. If not, we got a problem because I'm going home to take some Excedrin. All the laughing and, you know, just trying to keep her like humble and stuff like that, you know, is what we were trying to do. So now I got like a slight headache.